Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Iraq. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for paypal.com/country worldwide. You can even search for this query in the search bar, and the first link that you find in this list, you will have to select the one, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here on this page, you will see a bunch of different flags with their countries. So it simply means that these are the countries in which PayPal is available and providing its services. Now we need to find whether Iraq is in the list or not. So in order to find that, you will have to simply use the keyboard on and then you will have to simply press Ctrl plus F, then search for Iraq. Now as you can see that Iraq is not available in this list. This simply means that you cannot open your PayPal account in Iraq. They have no services available in Iraq. So in this situation, you can either use a VPN in order to create your account on PayPal, or what I would recommend you doing is to find the alternatives of PayPal, like you can go with Wise and Remitly. That would be great options for you. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.